So LIDL introduced this Silvercrest space heater, which appears to be Dyson dupe. We decided to buy it out just to see how it works. A lot of LIDL products are nice, so yeah, here we are unboxing it just to show you how it looks. It's pretty similar to Dyson. Of course, it's not 100% similar, but it really looks and works in a very similar manner. There's a remote control that you can use. You can turn it on, off, turn it to set your temperature, and then the fan rotates. Yeah, we'll see how it works for the next couple of months.